Here's how to summarize data in Power Query. This is my data set. I got the product, the region, and the sales. And I want to see the total sales by each region. So let me just import this data into the Power Query. Go to Data and click from Table or Range. Inside the Power Query, go to Home and click Group By. Because I want to group by each region, so I choose Region, and I want the new column name to be Total Sales. And I want it to be sum and sum of the sales. Then click on OK, and now I got them summarized nicely. Just click on Close and Load. And now Power Query creates a summary table which updates automatically whenever I refresh the data. So definitely try it out, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to follow me for more tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Bye.